Us today at the park and let God do what He gonna do. All right, God bless y'all. I love y'all. I'll see y'all real soon.
Visioning another life for yourself. Dare to dream. Dare to dream. The house you want, the type of car you want to drive, the type of problems you want to be able to solve in this life.
Not because of a degree, you're good enough, not because of what you look like, but you have purpose and a design of your life, purposes and plans that go beyond anything you can ask or imagine. And your decisions in 9th grade will be vital to your future.
My name's Shannon Blakey. I'm a teacher at Rockbridge High School. The presentation that I just witnessed was one that was really powerful, and I think a number of the students were engaged, were interested in hearing more about the sort of powerful messages that were being talked about, being shared. And a lot of the discussions were very honest in ways that I think made important connections.
All right, so listen, we're about to get started.
Right now, on the sound of my voice, get a second chance. I don't know what your personal life looks like, but I do want to offer you opportunities to make things right before you leave it. I get it. Winning a medal, winning a trophy, that's amazing. Let me tell you something. Not seeing God, not making it to heaven, not living eternally, that's the biggest mistake you could ever take.
Columbus, put your hands together, come on. Come get it, guys, come on. Yeah.
Follow the vision that God has blessed us with through our brother Ty, and let's let the Holy Ghost do what He do from there.
Welcome to the Salt City Church, where we are Christ-centered, people-focused. We're Christ-centered, people-focused. God bless you.
Sing the praises to us, for He is
really in this to be a Christian and really live out your purpose in Him? Do you really know who you are in Him? And I'm telling you right now, if you don't look and see what God sees in you, you'll always see a distorted view. So my question is, who wants to be free in Jesus?
Everything that we've done all summer leads up to this point. All the times that we went out and knocked on doors, all the basketball games we prayed over, all the basketball games we played in, everything that we have done to try to connect with the entire community around here, they all come here. At the end of it all, we try to show them why we do everything, and that's Christ. Christ is the standard, Christ is the reason why we do what we do. And the Back to School Explosion is just a beautiful little way to outreach and get people that don't normally come into the circle with Christ, that don't normally come to church. We can give them a little bit of church, but we also give them a little bit of concert. We give them something that they would enjoy. And at the end of it, we got to baptize a few people. So I've never been able to do a baptism. I've been baptized, but I've never put someone in the pool, and that was a unique experience for me. That was something that, like as a pastor, that's my first time baptizing someone. That's something that brings a tear to my eyes. But yeah, the whole Back to School Explosion is just about loving people. All the stuff that we've done in the community, all the stuff we've done all this time, just showing these people that we still love them.